don't know me already, my name is Luna, and today I'm going to be wearing a raincoat and showing you how to wash your table because it will get a little bit wet, as you can see, but I have not been affected. So let's get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do is you're just going to make sure you remove everything out of the way. And it's important that you do have a raincoat because you just don't want to get anything wet, especially your body. So you're going to take your cloth and you're just going to rub around and around. And around stuff in the motion. Making sure that all of the area. Just like this. And then when you're finished with that, that's all you need to do. Make sure to rinse out your cloth when you're done with it. And yeah, I'm hoping that you wore your raincoat to stay nice and protected. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!